How should I warm up for a run? That's a question I get asked a lot. So in this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. To start off with, you shouldn't do any static stretching. You see, static stretching before a run actually reduces performance. Moreover, stretching with cold muscles before a physical activity can potentially increase the chances of injury. What you instead want to be doing before a run is a dynamic warm-up that's designed to work the muscles and joints you use when running. There are a number of benefits of dynamic warm-ups, some of which are the fact that it improves your range of motion and allows your joints to move smoothly. It also raises your body temperature and increases the blood and oxygen to your muscles. Look, there are endless dynamic warm-ups that are good to do prior to running, but here I'm going to provide you with one that I use myself and that I teach my clients. Here are 3 dynamic movements that you can do and you can build into your pre-run routine to help you run smoother. They only take a few minutes to do. So try those out before your next run. Finally, make sure you always start your runs with 10 minutes of calm zone 2 running. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Have a great day. Bye.